Imagine living a middle-class lifestyle today and turning it into millions tomorrow. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. In this video, I'll reveal 15 frugal living habits that help everyday people like you and me build wealth and achieve financial freedom. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. These are tried-and-true habits that take consistency, discipline, and the willingness to make small sacrifices today for a much bigger tomorrow. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to share a bonus tip that can accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Why frugality leads to wealth. We live in a world that glorifies spending and instant gratification. Everywhere you look, people are buying the latest gadgets, flashy cars, and extravagant homes. But what if I told you that the key to financial freedom and building wealth doesn't come from spending, but from saving and living below your means? Frugality, when done the right way, can be the secret weapon that turns ordinary middle-class earners into millionaires. I know it sounds too simple to be true, but it works, and I'll prove it with these 15 habits that help me and countless others achieve financial success. Habit number 1. Pay yourself first. This is a fundamental habit that millionaires swear by. Paying yourself first means putting money into savings and investments before you pay any bills or buy anything else. How to apply it? Set up automatic transfers to a savings or investment account as soon as you get paid. Aim for at least 10% of your income to go into savings or investments, and increase it as you can. This simple habit makes saving effortless and ensures you prioritize your financial future. Habit number 2. Live below your means. Living below your means doesn't mean living miserably. It means avoiding lifestyle inflation and resisting the urge to spend more just because you're making more. How to apply it? As your income increases, avoid increasing your expenses to match it. Prioritize savings and investments over lifestyle upgrades. Millionaires didn't get there by spending all their income. They learned to save and invest wisely while keeping their expenses low. Habit number 3. Avoid impulse purchases. Impulse buying is a wealth killer. Every time you buy something on a whim, you're taking money away from your future wealth-building opportunities. How to apply it? Implement a 24-hour rule. If you want to buy something, wait 24 hours before making the purchase. Create a shopping list and stick to it. Don't stray from it to avoid unnecessary spending. This simple trick can prevent those small purchases from adding up and draining your savings. Habit number 4. Buy quality, not quantity. Frugal living doesn't mean buying cheap. It means buying well. High-quality items often last longer and can save you money in the long run. How to apply it? Focus on durability when making purchases. Buy fewer, but better quality items that will serve you for years. By spending more upfront for quality, you avoid the need to replace things constantly, saving both money and hassle. Habit number 5. Eliminate debt quickly. High-interest debt is one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth. Millionaires understand the importance of getting rid of debt fast. How to apply it? Focus on paying off high-interest debts first, like credit cards. Consider debt consolidation to lower interest rates. Avoid taking on new debt unless it's for an appreciating asset, like a home or education. Eliminating debt frees up more of your money to put towards savings and investments. Habit number 6. Automate savings and investments. The easier you make saving and investing, the more likely you are to stick with it. Automating these actions ensures you don't miss out on putting money into your future. How to apply it? Set up automatic deposits into your savings or retirement account as soon as you receive income. Automate bill payments to avoid late fees and penalties. Automating your finances removes the temptation to spend money that should be saved or invested. Habit number 7. Focus on financial education. The most successful people are those who never stop learning. Financial education is crucial for making smart investment decisions and managing money well. How to apply it? Read books, listen to podcasts, or take courses on personal finance and investing. Follow financial experts and learn from their experiences. Investing in your financial education will pay off in dividends, enabling you to make better money decisions. Habit number 8. Save on big purchases. The biggest purchases you make, like a car, house, or appliances, can significantly impact your finances. By saving on these major expenses, you can build wealth faster. How to apply it? Research and negotiate before making large purchases. Consider buying used items or looking for sales. Pay off loans quickly to reduce interest payments. Saving on big-ticket items can add thousands to your savings and investments. Habit number 9. Build multiple streams of income. Millionaires often don't rely on just one source of income. By creating multiple streams, you can increase your earnings and reach your financial goals faster. How to apply it? Start a side hustle or freelance. Invest in stocks, real estate, or businesses that generate passive income. Having multiple income sources ensures you're not relying solely on your salary and can build wealth faster. Habit number 10. Invest early and often. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Millionaires start investing as soon as they're financially able. How to apply it? Open a retirement account, like a 401k or IRA, and start contributing regularly. Invest in low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for broad market exposure. Investing early gives you the power of compound interest, which grows your money exponentially over time. Habit number 11. Track your spending. Knowing exactly where your money goes helps you identify areas to cut back and save. Millionaires track their spending closely to ensure they stay on top of their finances. How to apply it? Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor your spending. Review your expenses monthly to identify unnecessary purchases. Tracking your spending helps you avoid overspending and frees up money for savings. Habit number 12. Focus on long-term goals. Frugal living and wealth building require patience. Millionaires aren't focused on instant gratification. They're in it for the long haul. How to apply it? Set long-term financial goals, like buying a home or retiring early. Break these goals down into smaller, achievable steps. Long-term focus ensures that you're not distracted by short-term spending temptations. Habit number 13. Embrace minimalism. Living with less allows you to focus on what truly matters and save more money. Many millionaires practice minimalism to reduce clutter and financial stress. How to apply it? Eliminate unnecessary items from your life and your budget. Focus on purchasing things that add value and joy. Minimalism creates space for savings and helps you spend money on things that align with your values. Habit number 14. Be patient and consistent. Wealth doesn't happen overnight. Consistency and patience are two of the most important habits that separate the wealthy from everyone else. How to apply it? Stick to your budget, savings, and investment plan, even when it gets tough. Remember that small, consistent actions lead to big rewards over time. Patience is key when it comes to building lasting wealth. Habit number 15. Live with intentionality. Every decision you make should be aligned with your financial goals. Millionaires live intentionally, making sure their actions support their dreams. How to apply it? Regularly check in with your goals and make adjustments to stay on track. Prioritize spending on experiences, education, and investments that help you grow. Living intentionally ensures that you're always moving forward toward financial freedom. Conclusion: small habits lead to big rewards. Building wealth isn't about making one big decision, it's about making small, smart choices every day. The 15 habits I've shared are the same ones that help countless middle-class earners turn their financial situation around and build lasting wealth. Start small, stay consistent, and remember that every dollar saved and invested is one step closer to financial freedom. Which habit are you going to implement first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to take control of their finances and start building wealth.